Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my channel Hangout with Priyanka. Today in this video I'll show you a basic simple eggless vanilla cake which is very delicious, very easy to make and that can be made with very available easily ingredients at home. So friends, without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, I'll be needing half a cup of plain yogurt. In goes baking powder, baking soda and half a cup of powdered sugar. Now let's mix everything together till it's well combined. And after that, you need to keep aside the mixture for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, I'm adding refined oil and half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now again give them a mix. It's done. It's time to sift one dry ingredient, that is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, which is maida. Now sift the maida very well and mix the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, and you have to mix till it becomes a smooth cake batter. The batter is ready now. Let's prepare the cake baking mold. Here goes my 8-inch cake baking mold, which I am greasing with oil, putting one parchment paper or butter paper, again greasing with some oil or butter. Now let's pour the cake batter into it. Just evening the upper part with the help of a spatula. Tap it for a while. Now I have started preheating one pressure cooker at low medium flame in 5 minutes. Once it's preheated, let's put the cake mold inside it and cover it with a lid and just bake it for a while. It's been 45 minutes. I can check my cake is baked properly. Let's cool completely. After that, I am demolding the cake. Just see. Wow, my cake has baked very well. It's very soft, very spongy. Now let's prepare whipped cream frosting. To make the frosting, I have taken half a cup of chilled whipped cream, and with the help of an electric beater, I have to beat the same till it create the soft peaks. After 2 to 3 minutes, you can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and the whipped cream is already very sweet, so I am not adding any more sugar. Soft peaks formed already. I have cut the cake into 2 halves. So now I am putting some sugar syrup and I am spreading it all over the surfaces of the first layer. Now take some portion of the whipped cream and start frosting the same. Spreading whipped cream frosting as a first layer like this. Again, with the help of a sugar syrup, I am brushing it with the brush, and then very softly just put it as upper layer on top layer. Again, spread some sugar syrup on all over the surfaces. And now take rest of the whipped cream frosting and I am applying the same like this. This time I'll cover the whole cake and will make the frosting like this in the sides as well. And do not worry about the same because it might look some messy. The plate is looking messy. Don't worry. I will just clean the plate. See? Now in this step, for better result, you can refrigerate the same for 2 to 3 hours. Now the most important thing is garnishing. So I have taken one dark chocolate and with the help of that grater, I am just making the chocolate crumb and spreading all over it. Garnishing is completely up to you guys. Whatever you want, you can do it. So here goes my simple eggless vanilla cake. And the most important thing is cutting the cake, of course, to letting you know the soft texture. see, the cake has become very soft, yummylicious. It has become super tasty. Friends, if you like my video, like my presentation, do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. Again, I'll be coming up soon with such wonderful videos in future. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe. I am signing off. Bye.